Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is convene, which means call together. Next, comprise, which means include. Next, dismantle, which means take apart. Next, provision, which means supply or rule. Next, insight, which means deep understanding. Next, critiquing, which means evaluating. Next, advocate, which means support. Next, grievance, which means complaint. Next, allocation, which means distribution. Next, indispensable, which means essential. Next, frontline, which means most important position. Next, resilient, which means able to recover. Next, unethical, which means morally wrong. Next, revitalizing, which means bringing back energy. Next, affirm, which means confirm. Next, robust, which means strong. Next, entrench, which means firmly establish. Next, embed, which means fix deeply. Next, intersectoral, which means across different sectors. Next, overarch, which means cover completely. Thank you for learning.